Hello, everybody. This time we'll be having a discussion on how to create user account in hazardous waste management system. Sana matutunan po natin ito ngayon at magamit natin sa ating trabaho. Kung paano mag-create ng user account sa hazardous waste management system. Well, of course, pupunta muna tayo sa mismong online platform ng hazardous waste management system. And dito po sa hwms.emb.gov.ph, hanapin lang natin itong register a new account and then fill upan po natin ang user registration form. So, tayo na. First name, for example, Jerry. Last name, Grijalvo. Then, yung ating active email at ang ating active mobile number. Our desired password na gagamitin natin sa pag-login sa system. Then, confirm password. And of course, we need to provide our competent evidence of identity, government ID, and company ID. So we select the file in our computer, PDF or PNG file of our identification, and then upload in the system. After uploading the ID, pwede nating i-tick yung accept terms and condition and then push this button, register. We now have our account or user account for the hazardous waste management system. So gagamitin na lang natin yung ating email and then yung ating password para makapasok sa ating hazardous waste management system account. I hope may natutunan kayo on how to create a user account sa hazardous waste management system. If you want to know more about permitting, registration, reporting requirements, please subscribe to this channel. Please like and share this video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for listening. At mag-ingat po tayo lahat. Salamat po ng maraming.